Juju got a flashlight at the top too.
Is there actually beds are there actually selling beds like this?
Huh?
Do they actually sell beds like this?
I don't know. You have to look.
Look at this.
Nephew, take your shoes off, baby.
This is why I don't care what anybody says. Look what we can do. Oh, what's this? Oh, that's dope. Oh. And then that's another shower.
Yeah.
Oh. Sorry. And here goes a little kitchen.
Ice packs. Yup.
Just a little mini golf course. I told you. Yeah. Oh, that's nice. We can sit and watch y'all play basketball.
Watch it.
They said the regular pool's open.
Yeah.
That's enough. Pour it in here. Don't burn yourself. Right. That's a trash can. You need some more juice. Just a little bit more. It's cooking. You better hurry up.
Yeah, it's already cooking. Look at that.
All right. Pull it down.
Oh my god, that was waffle stuff in my freaking hands.
Eat, baby.
Eat juice. Waffles comes by. Even I'm gonna check the signs. Yeah. Nephew, bye. I know you on TikTok, Nephew.
Yeah, bye-bye.
Look at that roof. Look at that roof. Oops, sorry. I just saw that when I'm recording. Don't you do it again. I'm serious too. If you do something like this, I'll go. Alright. Alright, we have to do something. I'm eating some waffles with Donovan and Dorian, and he's a TikToker. And it's not, you're not, this hand is not a TikToker. The hand, hey, the hand is not a TikToker. Hey. So this is Nephi, and she's going to keep showing her hand, trying to give me a high five. here's my face. Yeah, because it looks like a stop sign. Stop it. Stop it. They got juice over there. Stop it. This is not the show Donovan where the juice is. The juice? Oh, it's actually from, it's by the syrup.
I know my face. I know y'all see my face, but look at this. And you can put Bluetooth. Well,
Hi, Nappy. Don't kick me. Don't get me wet. You wet on my phone, girl. Yeah. Oh, did he go? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. You see, she only went one down. Dad, can you take this phone? Maury! There you go. No, I think they did. I'm watching them.
Yeah, this reminds me of right now.
Get it, Pooh!
Hey, let me
Alright, Juice. Slow down, no running, Juice. Come on. Come on. You gotta get over this. Come here. Come on. No, no, no. Get up. Get out. Put your leg out. There you go. There you go. Good job. All right. I got it.
Did you go on the slide? Yeah. Wait. Tess, I got you on video, girl. You good now?
No.
Okay. Got it?
What?